Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening FaceTime and choosing who to call. Tap the app, then pick a contact or type an email or phone number. This identifies the endpoint for audio or video. Make sure your camera and microphone permissions are granted because FaceTime won't connect without them. Once done, decide whether you want video or audio. Video uses more bandwidth, audio is lighter. If you see a gray avatar, that means the contact may not be signed in. Proceed anyway, or try a different address. You now initiate the call by tapping video or audio. The app rings the recipient and negotiates a connection. During the call, use the controls. Mute keeps your mic off, flip switches between front and back cameras, and the end button disconnects. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular signal is stable, because interruptions cause poor video. If you need to add someone, create a FaceTime link or invite another contact. This runs a new connection handshake, so everyone can see and hear each other. You finish by tapping end. FaceTime closes the session and releases the camera and microphone. If something goes wrong, first check obvious causes, network strength, whether FaceTime has microphone and camera permission, and that both you and the recipient are signed into Apple ID. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking calls. If issues persist, restart the FaceTime app or the device, then try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa. This simple reset often clears transient connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.